be a quick, fast, easy, not delicious video. As you can tell by the title, I am making something with biscuits. I'm puff pastry dessert. I'm going to, let me get these biscuits popped. I'm gonna stuff them, baby. I'm gonna make some, woo! Bang, bang, bang! I'm gonna make some savory, with chili and, what's this? With taco seasoning and cream cheese. And I'm gonna make some sweet with cream cheese and powder sugar. So we got eight biscuits. So I'm going to just keep them whole. And you just want to kind of just stretch them out because you want to make room to stuff, right? To stuff them. So we're going to put some cream cheese, powdered sugar, and we're going to sprinkle some. Going to seal it up. Fold it up. Seal it, seal it, seal it. So easy. A muffin pan right here, and I'm just going to sit it in the muffin pan. I'm getting ready to do a savory one. I'm going to do it the same way. You got to add the cream cheese. Make your savory the way you want it. I want it like a taco season. Y'all know me, I love Mexican food. So I want more of a taco season in mine. So I'm just going to add a little to make it savory, baby. And you're going to just seal it up. Now beat this egg, baby. We're going to do the egg wash. And what I'm going to do to this is sprinkle the white powdered sugar on it. That's it. Now this is going in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll be back when they're done so you can see the finished product. There you go. We have the sweet ones and the savory ones. Ooh, y'all, I can't wait to try these homemade puff pastry. I don't even know which one to try. The sweet one. That is the sweet one. Oh, y'all look. Ooh, look at that. Yes, baby. Wow. Whew. Hot. I'm good, y'all. Hold on.